intensely in Manlius right now. And that's why there's a weather alert tonight, among other things.
But yeah, we're also looking ahead to some windy weather. Pete, would it be a good idea to take down the umbrella if you still have it on your back porch?
I think it's too late for that now if you are under the rain, because I did that yesterday or last night or even this morning would have been a better time to do that. I mean, unless you want to go out there in a pouring rain, that's up to you. Let me show you what's going on. So there's a lot happening. First off, we've got downpours for everybody coming through this evening. And with those downpours and also behind it, we'll have our worst wind. We really don't have much wind at this second, but it will increase this evening. Most spots will have wind gusts of 40, as you'll see, and we'll talk more about that in a second. Do want to also let you know there's changeable conditions on tap Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, not just day by day, but hour by hour. We're still on course for wintry weather around here Monday into Tuesday. So even though there hasn't been any strong winds just yet, I still expect many spots to have wind gusts to at least 40 to 45 miles per hour for lower elevations and as much as 50 to 55 miles per hour for higher elevations and very close to Lake Ontario shoreline. So just to show you, I'll step out of the way just quickly here, but you see all this yellow? That's some intense rain coming down. We're just into it in the downtown area. It's also from Bernards Bay across Oneida Lake through Baldwinsville and Camillus all the way down to Auburn, Skaneateles, and across much of the northern Finger Lakes. And as we zoom out, this continues all the way down to almost Letchworth State Park and also up north too. So a couple of things. Along this yellow line and this one, be aware there could be some embedded heavier winds. And even if that doesn't occur, behind it, this front's coming through and should increase the winds everywhere. The intense rain should be out of here by about 9 o'clock, and then we're in and out of some rain showers. There should be some snow over the Adirondacks. I can't completely rule out some snowflakes late tonight or early tomorrow morning in the hills south of Syracuse. But the air looks pretty dry, so while there will be a chance of a spotty rain or wet snow shower, I think clouds should mix in with some sunshine. It'll still be a little breezy, but it's chilly. High around 45, 46 for Syracuse and lower 40s everywhere else. A few clouds east of Lake Ontario with a brief sprinkle Thursday night. And then for Friday, kind of a similar day to today with clouds and limited sun and some late day rain showers. It'll also be gusty and like today, somewhere in the mid 50s. We should still have some leftover showers Friday evening into Friday night. It's actually pretty mild for Friday night at or above 50. And despite starting around 50 degrees on Saturday, probably backing off into the 40s with a rather cloudy sky and a chance of a sprinkle. Eventually, we're going to transition over to wintry weather from Monday into Tuesday. Just how that happens keeps changing. So we could either have an all-day rain Sunday or what I'm going for now, which is clouds, some sun, and on and off showers, 55. Eventually getting blustery and colder with scattered snow showers Monday at some point. And we're, again, not completely sure how this happens in terms of whether we get heavy lake effect snow just up north, whether we get some into central New York. It all depends on the wind direction, and it's still a bit uncertain. Either way, though, at some point early next week, accumulating snow will happen. Stanley lost Skywatch. Now you can see 690 is crawling if you look carefully, as well as 81 northbound. You're going to want to be very careful even if you're on a highway that isn't backed up. You can have some hydroplaning with these intense downpours coming through. You're up to date, back inside.